Hello my YouTube friend, this is Not Mechanic here. Are you having a problem with your Autel Al539B? I may have a solution for you. Now, for a few months I have been trying to get this Autel to work and I was not able to get it to function for nothing. Every time I try to diagnose a car, I was having problem. The way I fixed it was, I may not be able to duplicate the problem I was having, but I'm gonna do my best. The way I fixed it was, I watched Tim from Astro Auto Repair. I watched one of his videos on the Autel, and he fixed the problem on this Autel. If you don't know who Tim from Astro Auto Repair is, I am going to put a link to one of his videos, the video that I watched to get this Autel to work again. So let me show you the problem I was having, and hopefully this video will help you out. So one of the problems I was having is that every time I connected the Autel to a car to diagnose it and I press the OBD, what happens is that I press it, it goes like it's scanning, and then it'll go right back to this screen. Right now I cannot duplicate it because now it's working properly, but I will show you what I was doing. I'll press OK, right, to diagnose. So once it does this here, it will go all the way and then it'll go back to the screen. It will not go and diagnose the car. It will go straight to the car. Let me show you where we'll go. Let me see if I can press escape to go back. So just remember that right there. So once it does that, like it's diagnosing the car, what it will do, it will come right back to the screen, and I couldn't get it to work. So it was not giving me the codes or anything that was wrong with the car. That was one of the problems. Now, the other problem is I will go to setup, and when I will go to setup, what will happen is it will give me a whole bunch of numbers. It will not give me none of this here. It will give me like 0001, 0003, 0004. It will give me all those numbers. But if you were to press those numbers, it will actually give you the information that's here. But the thing is that you couldn't see it like this. You will see it in numbers. Now, what I did to fix this was I upgraded. In other words, I put the new software on the Autel. What I did was I followed Tim Astro Auto Repairs on video step by step. I think the version he was doing, it was 1.04. This one is at 1.06. So they upgraded, and believe it or not, upgrading it fixed the problem. Now I can see languages, I don't see numbers, I can see beep, I can see tool information, update mode, calibration mode. It has all that. Now, the other stuff, every time I will press the start test, what it would do is it would not give me, you see like this right here, it would not give me start test. It would not give me 1, turn off all vehicle load, 2, make sure the engine ignition is on, press OK. It would not give me that. The only thing it would give me is the key, and it says starter test. So it would not give me that information. Now, when I will go to the little light here to the charger test, it will do the same thing. It would not give me turn off all vehicle loads, rev the engine at 2000 RPM for 15 seconds, press OK. It would not give me none of that. So another problem I was having is that every time I did the battery test, it would not do nothing. Now, when I go to the battery test now, it will tell you battery test. Before, all I will get is the CCA battery test. I will not get connect, clamp to battery or nothing. You know what? Let me just show you what it does now with the battery test that it was not doing before. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to connect the Autel to the battery, and I'm going to show you what it does now that it was not doing before. Now, so we're going to go to battery test. Once we go to battery test, we press OK. As soon as now that you press battery OK, it will give you the voltage of the battery. And as you notice, the battery is at 12.56V. Press OK. Before, it would not give me this. All it will give me is CCA battery test. So these are the few problems that this Autel was giving me. And the way to fix this problem is by upgrading to the new software. And Tim from Astro Auto Repair has an excellent video on it. He has a lot of excellent videos on the Autel, but I believe that the upgrade is the best he has there. If you don't know who Tim is, like I said before, I am going to leave a link to one of his videos. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.